Good morning. One of the big stories of the day, UT Regent says some kids with VIP connections are being admitted to UT Austin even though they're not qualified.
Regent Wallace Hall is now trying to force UT to turn over those admissions records, and now the case is in front of a Texas Supreme Court to see what it decides. Kate is live for us at UT with why this matters. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, Regent Wallace Hall has been trying to pursue this matter for years, trying to show that unqualified students with big-time connections are getting in. But his term as regent is up February 1st, so the Texas Supreme Court really has limited time to be able to make this ruling for him. Now, two lower courts have already dismissed his lawsuit against UT Chancellor William McRaven. Hall sued in an effort to force the release of emails, notes, and information from an admissions investigation that found former UT President Bill Powers sometimes ordered certain students to get admitted because they had powerful connections. Now, the big question Hall is trying to figure out is who those powerful people are that allowed these students to get in. But McRaven argues that Hall doesn't meet the federal standard to access private student files, and federal law protects student privacy.
Chancellor McRaven is saying is basically giving these unredacted documents that Wallace Hall wants would basically violate their privacy, and what he would say would be it would violate federal law. So, basically his claim is we'll give you the information, but you can't know the students or specific details like that. And he says that should be enough for what Wallace Hall is looking for.
And today, lawyers for each side have 20 minutes to present their case to the justices. Now, there's no word on when the court may make its decision, and they are aware that Hall's term ends February 1st. But Hall's attorney says even though it ends February 1st, until the governor appoints somebody new and they are confirmed, Hall is still in that position. And he also says that the documents he's requesting are electronic, so it shouldn't take him too long to be able to go through them to figure out what he's looking for. Of course, a lot to follow here that we're going to stay on top of today. Sally, back to you.
Okay, Kate, thank you. As she mentioned, this is something we've been following for years. So we wanted to give you a closer look at how we got here, highlighting some of the key dates in this timeline. Wallace Hall was appointed to the Board of Regents 6 years ago. In 2013, he brought the issue to light after requesting a large number of public records. And just 2 years ago, an investigation by the UT system found that the university president at the time helped students with their applications that did not meet